Welcome to the Arena. NinjaTrader has recently released the Arena or NinjaTrader Arena, where people can go and compete with other futures traders in a risk-free sim trading setting and win cash prizes. The link's in the description below, so go and get your access and start competing now. All we do is go start competing. I'll have a quick look through the website though, so ready, set, trade, get ready to compete. So basically get your entrance in, keep practicing and learning how the futures trading systems work. One topic, it's a shout out to Trader Dale, who has a book called Order Flow Trading Setups. I've been using some of his guidance lately in terms of his videos and teachings, along with, I did also buy his book, and I'll put a picture of that up now. It's quite a cool book. It's got some really good intel on how to actually read the order flow. That's how futures trading differs from CFD charts, such as like your FTMO and your derivatives brokers that provide those assets, and it's just a candlestick, and you don't actually know who's buying, who's selling, at what prices all the volume's coming in from. While I've traded like that for probably the past getting close to 17 years now, I'm now able to understand what drives the price, so the underlying order flow, and reading that information has a great effect in my ability to decide whether the levels that I normally use, if you follow what I do, are worth getting in on, or it's a false key level and the actual reaction is coming up maybe 50 points later based on the actual order flow. So really good book to read and channel to follow is Trader Dale. So basically it's a simulated trading experience in the futures markets. You join the challenge, you trade risk-free because it is a sim account, so you're not actually trading real money. There's a leaderboard, there's prizes, you can track your performance and compare with how you rank against others. So I'm going to rise to the challenge now, and it takes me to a registration page where I can basically enter my email and start trading the challenge. The grand prize is 1500, I believe that's USD. It's a 5-day challenge, total prizes of 5k. So obviously you've got the grand prize, which will be the top participant, and then the 10 winners below that, based on the top P&L, will receive the additional 5k across those top winners. So if you come 10th, it might be something like $25 or something like that. So the competition ends in 2 days and 14 hours. There's currently 1,500 participants. There's multiple prizes. So as we said, there's 10 winners, which can split that 5k across them. I'm not sure how it's divided up, but we can see here that the $1,500 grand prize makes up a good portion of that 5k. And then there's 3.5 left to go to the rest of the 9 winners up the top. The competition has started, but there's still 2 days and 14 hours to keep going, at the time of this recording at the very least, and these will probably continue to run. I've been in discussion with NinjaTrader directly, and they have let me know that this will be something that they do run periodically. Be sure to keep checking the Arena to see what's available. Now the competition does end on the 3rd of May, so you've still got some time to get in there and have a go. If you need help setting up your NinjaTrader, downloading it, I do have a link to the video in the description, which should help you go and get set up if you're on a computer. Good luck, and let me know in the comments how you actually go at the end of this tournament, what your experience was, if you performed well, how close you were to winning a actual cash prize, and if you do receive that cash prize, it'd be great to, hear about that too. Let others know that it is legitimate, because I know a lot of people out there, particularly that are new to trading, sometimes they don't believe it's a real thing, that you get real money from it. By just commenting and letting us know how you actually go, what your experience was, and whether they actually paid a prize or not. You don't have to say the amount, obviously that's a privacy thing, but letting other people know obviously helps to inspire the community and let them know it is possible.